Alright. Okay, let's do some setups. Wow. Okay. Let's see how we're doing today. Freaking cannabis is absolutely insane. Okay. Precious metals are starting to pick back up, thank God. Yeah. And Bitcoin probably went up because that went down. Alright. That's still trending sideways. Oh, okay. China Gold, we exited that yesterday. I still didn't do my setups yet, so you're gonna have to wait for that video. CS, that one's good. See, still don't have a full candle close under the 10, so we're gonna let that run. And that one's good. Oh, okay. Let's just let's cancel this one. This is gonna be doing nothing. I'm just gonna lose money. So that sucks. $37 burned. Okay, so max. Review, submit order, blah. Hopefully that goes through. Put our marker in. Yep, 265. Oh, we're right at the end of our stop limit. GAU. This one, because that's the trend line. You probably should pull out. Oh, maybe I already did. Obviously, I'm not very organized, but I do have cold view. I probably sold yesterday at the top. That's fine by me. Okay, I'm gonna go to that one sucks. I'm really hoping this trends across and does one of these again. IMG. And just leave it as it is. I already took a big portion up here. I'll let that one sit. I sold this one yesterday. Okay. And then KPT, we're going to hold. It's going like cross slices. LIF. Iron. It is a below, but it's a long candle, so we're going to keep that one. And then next gen. Again, we're going to keep that one. And this one is doing okay. Sounds okay. That one's doing okay. In uranium, looks like crap. Alright, let's go to our buy list now. So I was thinking grabbing this one, BOS. I mean, if it could break through here, you know what? We're not going to buy that one today. But we are... I don't want to buy this because look how overextended it is. At the same time, could it spike like that? Probably. So let's go like this, bam. And even if I buy this, which only 3%, you know what? Not worth my time. Now this guy we're buying, there's a good chance of going sideways for a bit and then going up. So we're going to put a purchase order on this one here. So ACQ. Of course, it's a specialty store, but let's see how much of a run we can get out of this one. So we're at 2205. It's already went to 2216 on the minute here. So I'm gonna use a calculator once I find it. 414 divided by 22.16, 18 shares. So like that by 18 shares. Done. Okay, that one's good. This one too. NOU. Okay. Because again, this broke the line. So it's a graphene stock, so 445. So again, grab a calculator. Go 414. Ew, not that much. 414 divided by 4.45 equals 93. By 93 shares. Done. Okay. That's it. Nothing in the blue. Canadian Tire does nothing. This one doesn't get outside the box method. Alright. That's it.